Hello, my name is Andrew Parker, aka Abracadabra Andrew, aka Wafello, aka Spider-Man, and today I'm doing a handcuff escape. But while escaping the handcuffs, my friend Colin will be launching firecrackers at me, and let's just see how loud they are first.
And throw it without blowing up the matches.
Oh my god! Oh no! That was so loud. All right, let's do it. I'll be handcuffed to this mailbox right here. I'll be standing up. I will have to pick one of the cuffs with a paper clip. I will begin trying to escape as soon as the first firecracker goes off. They will be launching them at me as much as possible.
So guys, what's your plan?
We're gonna toss these miniature bombs at Wafello.
Wow.
Look, it's a W for Waluigi.
Wafello is standing right in front of you.
Oh my gosh.
The quicker I escape, the less firecrackers I will have to endure.
Oh snap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh crap, one of those guys!
Oh, I'm out! That one was like at my chest level when it went off.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
No, what happened there is that I held them all up to it, burned my finger, so I was like, oh crap. And then I noticed the fuse going, and I'm like, oh, we're in trouble, aren't we?
Why are you still lighting them? Why are you still lighting them? No, it legitimately affected. Why?
Okay.
Anticipating the second
Start
one,
cleaning these up.
like I was getting ready to like pick it, and then I saw the second one land, and I was like, I couldn't focus on picking the lock. I just had to cringe for a second, so it took me a second. Ugh, that was fun though. What a rush. Y'all want to do it?
You get your own right.
What did I do to myself?
What's your fastest time?
My fastest time? Like
Yeah.
20 seconds or so.
Okay. And
Well, one handcuff.
You have a pre-made hook.
Pre-made hook.
That is perfect sized. So.
Right, so there's no excuses.
Right,
But I
exactly.
also haven't done this in like 3 months. So.
Okay.
All right, we ready?
Yeah. Do I get the first one?
Yep. Yes, you get the first one. I'm gonna hand it to you, but you've got like 2 seconds once it goes off. Okay. Go.
I hate you.
Why won't you?
Got it.
That was good. That was awesome.
I'm impressed.
Good job.
Thank you.
Nice. I'm impressed.
Wait.
Why?
Yeah.
These guys helped me film. What's your channel?
Cat in the Box Studios.
Yeah! Go subscribe. Link in the description.
Jeez.
Ow! Dang, that hurt a lot worse than I thought it would.
Just get it over with.
Just got the.
When you try to be the cool guy.
Just right there, right?
I saw that little like wave. What are you freaking doing over here?
What are you talking about? I don't have a handful of. What are you talking about? How did these get here?
That was a fun video. I don't trust these guys at all anymore. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below. If you have any others, I can't focus on my outro. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for escapes that you would like me to do. And I will see you in the next video. Carpe diem, vita es bono. Go have a great day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, ow.